Hello, folks. My name is Detroit Miracle, and I'm coming to you from on my spot at home. Right now, I am here to talk about the alleged incident between the actor Jonathan Majors and his girlfriend. This such thing happened, I believe, a week ago or so. I know I didn't initially weigh in on it immediately after it happened because I tend to wait a few days on serious cases that have transpired because you want to have all the facts in before you discuss the matters. Because if you just immediately talk about it and then later on facts come out, then you will be proven wrong. And in society, when people talk about issues, subjects, topics of the most serious issues from their own point of view, then some of it is opinionated, rather, and some of it is factual too, but it's based on personal feelings. So a lot of it is based on opinionation. So you want to be absolutely correct and true when you talk about certain issues that pertain to people. Well, they said that the actor Jonathan Majors was abusing his girlfriend, and that is a most serious charge right there. I want to say this to lead this whole discussion off officially. Every person is presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. But nevertheless, public opinion always presumes someone guilty first instead of presuming their innocence until proven otherwise. Public opinion is very powerful, and in some cases, it's just as powerful as the court systems. Yeah, and in the same case with Jonathan Majors being accused of beating on his girlfriend, that public opinion has resulted in him losing future acting projects. It has been reported that he has also lost his management company, his agents, his publicists. None of them are sticking behind him, even though he should be presumed innocent first and foremost until he is proven guilty. I know some would say, well, this is a black guy. You know he's black, so he can't get away with the same type of stuff that white entertainers has gotten away with. And I think that that is true, and it is misfortunate or unfortunate that that is the case because everyone should be presumed innocent and proven guilty regardless of race, sex, skin color, and ethnic. Now, this thing with Jonathan Majors, I'm not seeing any videos of him coming out and denouncing those claims. That's what troubles me a bit about that. Because if someone accused me of doing something that I didn't do, I would immediately pick up the camera and deny all those claims and charges. I would say, look, I never put my hands on her. Yeah, we argued a bit, and then I tried to leave and she was trying to block my view or block my escape. So I might have pushed her to a side a bit, but I never hit her. I never slapped her. I never punched her. I never kicked her. I would come out and adamantly, unequivocally deny those charges. And I haven't heard Jonathan Majors say I didn't do it. He never said that to my knowledge. And that would be like addressing the court of public opinion, which is in the tens of millions of people. And public opinion does matter. Now, this thing with Jonathan Majors' girlfriend, there was no medical records released. She was shown to have no visible signs of abuse on her body. There was no injuries, no bruises, no cuts, no abrasions, no slashes, no nothing. So she appeared to be unblemished and untouched. So that would indicate that there was not severe physical abuse dealt to her. I know that others have said that, well, he cussed her out, he mentally abused her, and that sort of thing. If that was the case, then he's an a-hole, and the woman should have left rather than putting up with that type of conduct from him. Remember, women and you guys as well, y'all have the options of leaving. Y'all do not have to stay and put up with any type of abuse at all. And no matter how much money somebody has, you have the option to leave. Now, if someone keeps you there when you try to leave, then it becomes kidnapping. It becomes imprisonment. It becomes much, much more. It becomes trafficking. So listen to me there, guys and gals. You have to recognize that the things that you do, which are bad, could be damaging on you, and in more ways than one. So let those people leave. If you having a dispute with your significant other and you are being irate, if you're being conflicting and disruptive, if you're being intolerable like that and they want to leave, then let them leave. Let them get out of there, because there are so much charges as a result of trying to keep somebody against their will. Yeah. And with Jonathan Majors, in his case, he has so much to lose because he is in appearance to be a virtually brand new actor who just came on the scene over the last 2 years. Yeah. So he's still in the beginning stages of the fame game, but he's made his way into the B-list category of acting, and with that being said, the skies are the limits. The paychecks are bigger, the parties are glamorous, the homes are much more spacious and luxurious, because he's in that category of people being regarded as famous celebrity. So he has a lot to lose, and I'm sure he would be well aware of that as far as what he has to lose. And I would quite simply tell him, if he did it, look, man, they see a big black dude and a white woman, and both of you are standing in front of the damn judge and jury. Who are they going to believe? The court system is mostly white of a percentage. There's a small number of people of color and black people that are presiding over those affairs. Yeah, that's just like if I'm standing in court as a big hulking black dude and a small, like, petite white woman accuse me of something and she's crying and looking sad. Who are they going to believe? And I'm well aware of that. I know that they're not going to believe me because I appear to be much more intimidating. And yes, everything is about race. Even if people say it's not, hey, you throwing in a race card, this and that, everything is about race. Everything, first and foremost, is about race and money. You know, you could believe that. Yeah, well, folks, that concludes this message for today. And I'd appreciate it if you would give me those likes, comments, and please subscribe to my channel, Detroit Miracle.